I'm Ronda Wickard with the Neidlinger, Olivia Henneman real estate team at Berkshire Hathaway. Most of you know that yes, I am a realtor. However, I wanted to share a little bit more about who I am outside of real estate. Today I am downtown on this beautiful Saturday morning strolling because there are plenty of great shops down here, a lot of cultural things, and many restaurants to try out. Come take a stroll with me now to one of my favorite stores, which is The Greatest Gift. Having been born and raised right here in Carlisle, I absolutely have grown to appreciate my hometown. All of the different things in the downtown that I like to do, whether it's to come shopping at the local owned shops or just to come downtown to get something to eat. So now the next place that we are is Playables. I am very embarrassed to say that this place has been here since 2021, and I just finally came here a month ago for my very first time. However, I am now hooked on this place. It has become one of my favorite places to come. Another fun thing is they do a sticker of the month. So because this is only my second month coming, I've got my second sticker. My passion for helping others and giving back to my community go hand in hand with real estate. I'm very grateful that I am able to help family, friends, and my community neighbors make one of the best purchases of their life, whether it is buying a home or even selling a home to upgrade to a new one. And I'm Ronda Wickard with the Neidlinger, Olivia Henneman team, and thank you for spending part of your Saturday with me downtown here in Carlisle.